Hi there, students. A nexus, normally a singular countable noun. Let's see. A nexus comes from Latin. It's a word for a connection. It's normally where various different things meet. Yeah. So, I don't know, you could say, Trafalgar Square in London is a nexus in the centre of London where the different roads meet. A nexus, important connections between different parts of a system. Yeah, so I guess you could say that internet providers are a nexus for all the people who want to surf internet. Yeah, where different things join. Or maybe that YouTube is a nexus where creators and people who want to view their products can meet. Okay, a nexus can also refer to a group of things, a connected group of things, or a series of things that are all joined together. So, I guess the food chain in our modern society is a nexus of different things. Yeah, you need the buyers, you need the sellers, you need the producers, and various things joined together. You could have a nexus of ideas, or maybe you could say that the city in London is a nexus for investors. Yeah, it's a nexus for speculators and business and commodities. You could also use this word a nexus talking about a central point, a focus point. So I guess the nexus of British government is the Houses of Parliament. Yeah, that might be a good example of it. Okay, so a nexus, a connection between various different things, or a connected group or series of things. So, I guess in your brain there are various nexuses where the different neural pathways meet. Yeah, maybe a conference of doctors is a nexus where ideas can be exchanged. People give ideas, people learn new ideas. Yeah, or maybe the clearing banks. This is a nexus for the flow of cash. Yeah, or just a simple roundabout on a road is a nexus where various roads meet and join, and you can go off in different directions. Okay, so a nexus. I'm wondering about the plural. Nexuses. I don't think I would say nexi. Yeah, but nexuses. Okay, so a connected group of things. A nexus, a linked group, a junction, a joining. Yeah. So maybe bitcoins are a nexus for the distribution of the funds from illegal matters. They're also a nexus for investors as well. So a nexus, something that joins two things together, a bond, a link. So what is the nexus between government and society? Well, I guess there are lots of links. I guess that the fact that they are supposed to represent the people, and the people choose the government. Yeah. Okay, so a nexus. You could have a go-between, which is like a nexus that joins various different things together. Okay, so let's go through it again. A state of connection, a form of connection. Yeah, a connected group, a network. So, I guess a conglomerate is a nexus of various different companies, or an association is a nexus of people who are keen on a particular matter. Yeah? So, nexus. Formality. An interesting one. I think I would probably give it something like 6.5 in formality. I think maybe in an informal conversation, I would use a link, a group, or something like that. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation quite easily. A good word for writing in exams. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin word nexus, meaning connection or the act of joining things together. Yeah, from the verb necto, to attach, to join. So there you go. I guess a WhatsApp group is a nexus of people who are all interested in various different things. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nexus.